rotting tree.
The Louis Vuitton logo looks a lot bigger on a big bag than it does on a little bag.
Well, hello there team. Today is Friday, it's about 1 PM. I've just finished uni for the day and we're gonna go camping. So I've got some tasks to take care of before we go to the campsite for this evening. I need to get a whole lot of diesel. I need to get some food for tonight. I need to get some firewood as well. I want to have a little cheeky fire. And yeah, some other stuff. I'll take you along, let's go. It's properly icy, man. We're now going to head to Tesco to grab some supplies. I'll see you there. Let's get out of here, man. This place is so busy. It is absolutely disgusting. All right, we're gonna go to the campsite now. Yep, that's it. So this place is pretty decent. You've got hard standing pitches with electric. You've got some washing up area. You've got toilets and showers. There's bins and all that good stuff. There's taps so I can refill the water. Everything you need, really. There's also this thing which is kind of cool, and you can go up and have a look at the view. It's kind of cute. Look at those clouds over there. I was just balancing my phone on that. I'm glad it didn't fall off. Alright, let's head back down. It's getting a bit chilly, to be honest. Right, as you can see, we've got camp set up. Should be cozy. Before I start the fire, I'm going to chop up some potatoes into chips and get them cooking.
Potatoes.
Alright, there are some chip-shaped things. I'm going to start the fire and then we're going to parboil these and chuck them in the air fryer afterwards. But let's go start the fire. Well guys, this is nice, isn't it? Got myself a tiny rebel Cali Pale Ale. I don't think I've had this before. Is it any good? Yes, it is. One of the good things about coming to a campsite is I can actually have a drink. Not that I feel, you know, a huge need to, but with being in a vehicle the whole time, it's not really the best idea to have, you know, a lot of open containers or whatever. So, yeah, it's nice to be somewhere you actually can have a little IPA. The fire's going pretty nicely now. I'm going to wait a little bit so I can get some coals to cook on. I have done this before, so hopefully it turns out okay. It did last time. Let's see. I'll chuck in a bit of olive oil, a bit of salt and pepper, and some more of this steak seasoning because it's good. You can tell it's pretty cold when the olive oil starts to freeze. Right, the fire is firing. I'm going to chuck the grate on now and get that nice and clean. And then time for steak. Look at that, my dude. Oh, perfectly pink in the middle. This is getting absolutely demolished. That's not a bad little dinner, that. This looks ridiculous. Well, cheers everybody. Here's to 500 subs. Thank you guys so much. That's just pretty cool. It amazes me that 500 people have watched my videos, let alone subscribed to my channel. So, thank you. It's pretty cool. Those chips are really good, man. Crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. Whoa. Whoa. Mm. Look at that. It's been demolished. That was, that's a dinner and a half. Man, that was a good dinner. I'm gonna sit here for a little bit, warm up by the fire, build the fire back up. Try and warm up a bit. It's about 1 degree currently, which is not the warmest, to be honest, but it's quite nice. Pretty cozy here by the fire. Let's go do some washing up. Oh man, I'm absolutely frozen. Doing that, washing up my hands, are absolutely freezing. Oh. Oh, oh. I might be slightly overdoing it, but it is pretty cold. And the fire is warm, but it's not that warm. Alright, back in the van. It's nice and warm in here. I've had the heater on for a little while now, and I've done all the chores I need to do for today. I'm going to play some Forza.
Total time penalty is about 5 seconds.
Okay, it's currently 10 PM. I'm gonna go have a shower and then I'm gonna go to bed. Yeah. Let's go. Well guys, I'm back in the van. I'm feeling pretty relaxed. Got some candles lit. I feel clean, which is always nice. A rare treat indeed. But yeah, today's been a pretty typical Friday for me, kind of. Fridays are always a bit of a weird one because it's the end of the week. So either I go home or I do something like this, or I go on an adventure because I've got the weekend free. So Fridays, there's not really a set thing, but I've done this a couple times now, and yeah, this campsite is just a nice place to come and relax and do some chores, you know, take the bins out, do the water, charge up the batteries, all that kind of stuff, and also have a fire. That's kind of the main reason I come here, to be honest with you. I just like to have a little fire and cook some good food. So I hope you've enjoyed following along. I don't know where or what I'll be doing next time. but I'm sure it'll be fun, and it's always nice to have you along to keep me company. As always, if there's anything you want to ask, anything at all, just drop it down in the comments and I'll do my best to get back to every one of you. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and thank you for all the support on the previous videos. It really means a lot. Alright, cheers. Good night.